Y'all, tell me why this white man thought it was necessary for him to cough on me in church. Tell me why. I was sitting on a little church bench, being sanctified by the Lord. I was not even asleep. Well, I was half asleep because I ain't like today. I'm so sleepy. My mom woke me up at 8 o'clock. I had to cook breakfast. I was like, really? Are we really doing this? And so I was up in church. I was half asleep, and a guy was behind me, and I was like, and all of a sudden I hear, I'm like, are you dying back there? And his hot breath is blowing on my neck. All his germs are on the back of my neck. I'm like, excuse me, sir. Let me reach into my purse. Do you need tissue? Do you need a breath mint? You need that. Like, really. Like, he's lucky that we were in church because if we weren't in church, we'd have some problems. So I just sat there politely and I took it. I took his hot breath his hot stinking breath on the back of my neck. I'm gonna tell y'all, if I would have had some gnats back there, if I just got a perm, I don't. But if I would have, his hot breath would straighten them out. I swear, I swear. I'm not gonna say I swear to God because it's a Sunday, so. But don't cough on me. Don't cough on me. Don't. This is a warning. This is a warning. Don't cough on me, especially if you got hot stank breath. I understand it's early in the morning, but since you wake up, brush them teeth. Brush them teeth. I use mouthwash. I then pop in a Tic Tac, and you'll be fresh, hopefully. So, heads up. That's all I got to say. Bye.